If you're a content creator and you're struggling to make any decent money with your content, today I'm gonna share with you a very powerful idea that can help you double or even triple your revenue. And all you have to do is to bear with me for like 5 minutes and just follow the logic. You see, I have many channels and my biggest channel is 22,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna give you an example of what this brings. Many people, before they get monetized, they think that YouTube monetization will bring them like $5 or $10 or even $20 per 1,000 views. But that's not actually the case. Out of my last 50 videos on my main channel, only one got viral, got some decent views. I'm talking about long form videos, of course. Yeah, this is a neighbor dog. Neighbor dog came to say hi. My video got, I think, 120,000 views. And you know what? You know how much I earned? I want you to guess. Guess in the comments. Pause the video and guess in the comments. You won't believe this. It's $30. Yes, it's $30. The video actually got like yellow monetization sign. So it's not earning to its full potential. But actual RPM or revenue per 1,000 views is like 25 cents. 25 US cents. From 120,000 people that watched my video, long form video, I earned 30 US dollars. Can you believe it? What can you buy with 30 US dollars? Can you still buy a school bag to come back to school? What I'm trying to tell you is that content creators nowadays are getting severely underpaid. If you just compare the idea of 120,000 people and $30, it doesn't make any sense. One of the biggest stadiums in the world, I think Maracana in Brazil, can contain 120,000 people, right? So imagine one of the biggest stadiums in the world and all the people are invited to watch your video, and what you get is like $30. So here's the idea. Imagine you standing in the middle of this stadium. People are waiting for whatever you want to say. So instead of giving your topic, you just say this: hey, can any of you give me 10 bucks just for the rules of it? And I guarantee you, more than $30 is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get more than 3 people that will give you 10 bucks. So, for example, I have another channel, and yesterday, out of nowhere, just people sent me super thanks, $10 for one of my old videos. And if you start thinking like YouTube is paying $30 for 120,000 views, but you can also get 10 bucks from a random person just because a random person likes your video and wants to support. This doesn't make any sense. All you need is 3 people to match what Google is paying. And here's the idea that I got that will help you make more money. Imagine that you need to think about your content as a money vehicle. And statistically, you can earn a range of money from 1,000 views. You can earn like 25 cents, like I earned from the big video, the viral video, or you can earn like $5. I think that video got 2,000 views that I got super cents for, and you can get $5 per 1,000 views. And basically, what you need to think about is what kind of content you want to make. You want to make the content that will earn more money in the beginning. But how can you predict that people will send you super cents or whatever? I'm trying to share these ideas out of the top of my head, so it's not always clear. I guess what I'm trying to say, it's not up to Google to decide what you're worth. And it's not even up to you, it's up to the viewer. You see, when viewers send me donations, they want to share the monetary value because they feel I'm giving them value back in what I'm saying. Actually, it's not a big donation. You know what is the biggest donation I ever got? Can you guess? $500. Yeah, Just a random guy sent me a message like, hey, I want to support your channel. Can I give you some money? I said, yeah. And I didn't know how much. So he just sent me $500. And then he repeated that 2 times more. So I got from a random subscriber more donations than YouTube actually paid me in the last, I think, 3 years. How is that possible? So when you think about your content, you should think about the type of people that watching and how they value your content. Of course, I'm not talking about expecting donations from people. This is a very stupid idea. What I'm talking about is a business type of thinking. So you can think before you post your content, like how much will I earn per 1,000 views? And if you only rely on AdSense, this threshold will never be on average more than $10, I think. So you can just make a system of it. You can sell your value. And if you make this system, you don't need to depend on Google or any other social platform, because social platforms are monopolies in nature, and they will do everything in their power to underpay you because they need their cut too. So start thinking, how can I make more than $10? Because I posted about 50 videos in the last 4 months, I think. And for some of them, I got donations like $500. Sometimes I go live, and many times I got donations like $100 for nothing, for just speaking to the camera directly from the viewers. So I'm talking about value you can bring to your viewers and the way to monetize it. Think before you do, make a strategy. And if we completely remove donations out of the equation, how can you monetize every 1,000 views for the highest price? So you obviously need to think about an offer you can make. For example, if out of 1,000 people, 10 people will accept your $5 offer, that's already $50 per 1,000 views. Do you understand? $50. So how can you do that? You only need to concentrate on people who actually have money to pay for whatever you're offering. And you always need to make a sales pitch. I'm gonna give you an example. So I found this platform called School. What is School? It's a platform that can help you earn money and monetize your content. So if you already have an audience on any social media, you can just basically give a link to School, create a community, and some people from your audience that like you for a long time, they're gonna go and join the community, and you can charge $5 per month, $50 per month. Some people charge $150 per month if the information is really valuable. So you should think like, okay, I'm charging, let's say, $10 per month. What value can I bring to a random person on the other side of the screen for my $10 per month? Obviously, that person should get more value than he's paying. So if he's paying, he or she, $10 to you, and when you're not really earning anything, that may sound crazy, like why would anybody pay me $10, right? But if you providing solution to somebody's problem that you already fixed in your life, and it may be cost nothing to you, but for another person it may cost much more than $10 per month. Like weight loss. Some people are paying a lot of money for weight loss programs, and you can say, hey, you're already following me, you're already following my social media, you saw my journey from like 100 kilos to 80 kilos, and I can share exactly step by step how I did that, and I can help you, I can guide you. Just join my community, and you create a community like $10 per month, and people follow your step-by-step guide for like 6 months weight loss journey. That would be $60 of recurring revenue that you can earn from people who enjoy your content, who want your product. So think about the product that you can give to people. Think about how much they can value it. Actually, to make even more money, you need to think about the strategy. So if your content brings only people who can pay and want to pay and who have real problems that you can fix, that's gold. That's gold. So if you found value in what I said, just subscribe and follow my link. You can start your community in school and earn more money.